Can you see this? Joker inspired, colorful. I don't know if I can really leave the house like this, child, but I'm feeling fly. I'm feeling cool myself. Like nobody can tell me anything. eh, eh, eh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, we are going to be doing this colorful Joker inspired eye makeup tutorial. Now, if this is content you would like to see, please keep on watching. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel down below. Okay, we just passed 100 subscribers and our goal now is for 1,000, so we are heading towards there. Thank you for subscribing, and let's get right into the video. So guys, I just had this inspiration to do a Joker inspired colorful eye or tutorial. I really don't fancy myself leaving the house with this look, but let's see how it goes, just for tutorial purposes. Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be using our tried and tested, much loved Morphe Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and we're going to be doing a Joker inspired makeup look. Okay, now when this palette came out, it didn't have all those names and stuff, so I got it I think in the first time it came out. So subsequently I know they've now have names, so I'm just going to be showing you what I am picking and what I'm using. All right, to begin with, I'm going to be taking, let me hold my mirror this way so that I see what I'm doing, because it doesn't come with a mirror. Okay, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and I'll be using that to set underneath my eyebrow. I like a matte brow, not really matte, but I like to set my brow. I don't like that wet concealer look underneath my brows. Okay, having done that, I'm going to be going in with my, in fact, let me use my Sigma brushes today, because I don't know why I bought these brushes and I've not been using them. Today they're going to be making an appearance in this video, because I saved up to buy these Sigma brushes and I'm not using them. Let's start. I'm using my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush. I'm going to be going into this shade right here, and I'll be using that as my transition color. To deepen up the crease, we're going to be going into this color right here. I'm using my Sigma E25 blending brush. I'm having a little bit of fallout, so what I'm going to do, let me just put some powder underneath my eye to catch the fallout. But I know that there's going to be a lot of fallout. Okay, that's better. Oh, Juju. Anyway, blending that out. Taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, I'm going to cut out my crease. Let's start our colorful eye look. Oh, I'm really excited. I'm experimenting. So you cut the crease neatly because if it's not neat, the shadows cannot adhere properly. Alright, this is how we're looking. Now I'm going to take a small brush, and then I'm going to go into this shade right here. And apply it on the eye. Next, we're going to be going into this teal green color. We're going to be applying that now. Ooh. Wow. This palette has never failed me. Just try to blend both in together so that there are no harsh lines of demarcation. Next, we are going to be going into this purple shade. We're going to be applying that next to the green. Looking really colorful. I look like a peacock. Next, I'm going to be taking this blue shade right here. I'm applying that at the outer edge of the eye. Next, taking our Sigma E30 pencil brush, we're going to be going into this black and applying that into our crease. Just to give some definition to this area. And taking our Sigma E45 small taper blending brush, we're going to go into this shade and use that to blend everything all out. There you have it, guys, looking really colorful. Now I'm going to apply a black gel liner on my lower waterline. Then I'm going to take this teal green color. I'm going to smoke it underneath my lower lash line. There you have it, guys. I look really, really colorful. I love the way this look comes out. It looks really, really beautiful. But I'm not done yet, guys. I'm going to be going into this shade and applying it to the inner corner of my eye to make it more open. I'm also going to be applying a little bit of that, whatever is left on the brush, underneath my brow bone to give a kind of highlighted effect. That was too much. I need to blend it out. Oh, that was too much. I love the way this look is coming out. I'm just going to apply my liquid liner. I'm using the Zaron HD liquid liner. Need a liner to tie this in. Look. So I'm just going to apply my Zara mascara on my lashes. And I'm going to apply my lashes off camera and be right back. There you have it, guys, the finished look. I just went off to apply my lashes and this is looking so nice. Like I'm feeling like a babe, like a chick, you know. This is how it looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something, at least you learned a thing or two. And till I come your way next week, do have a blessed and fabulous week. Bye, guys.